Assalamualaikum, Zauan, how you In Form 3 syllabus, you have learned about the stimulus and response in plants. There are phototropism, geotropism, hydrotropism, and thigmotropism. In this subtopic, we are going to see in details the relationship between the support system in plants with those tropisms which support their growth. A support system in plants helps them to stand vertically against gravity. It is vital to ensure that the leaves are exposed to sunlight to carry out photosynthesis. The main support for plants is the stem and root, which help to accommodate the plant weight and provide strength to withstand the wind. The stem supports the weight of their own stem as well as their leaves, flowers, and fruits. Meanwhile, the root supports by gripping the soil. What holds the tree in the ground is the fibrous roots interweaving themselves into the soil, or the tap roots going deep into the soil. There are two types of terrestrial plants. First is the woody plants. The support system for woody plants is their hard, strong, and tough woody tissue. This tissue is built from lignin, a tough and hard complex substance. Woody plants are usually big and tall. Second is the non-woody plants or herbaceous plants. These plants obtain their support from the turgidity of the cells. They depend on salt water in the cells of the stem for support. Non-woody plants are soft and they will wilt when they lack of water. Different plants have different special structure to provide support. For woody plants, buttress roots are found in big and tall trees such as durian tree and angsana tree. Prop roots are roots that grow from stems or branches into the soil. This type of roots is present in the banyan tree, pandan tree, and fig tree. The steel roots support mangrove plants which living in the swamps. For non-woody plants, tendrils which wraps around other plants or objects are present in cucumber, bitter gourd, and pumpkin plants. Clasping roots found in orchid plants and money plants hold onto another plant for support. In determining the age of woody plants, the first method is used by cutting across the tree trunk. The number of growth rings in the plant stem determines the age of woody plants, where one ring is equivalent to 1 year of the tree's age. For the second method, the tree is not cut but is drilled. Can we just simply use the common driller? Of course not. We should use the increment borer, which can extract a core of wood from the wooden tree. The tree is bored to half of the diameter of the tree or to 75% of the drill depth. The drill bit is removed and the growth rings are counted. This method will definitely save the tree from being cut. Aquatic plants do not have woody tissue for support. They obtain their main support from the water buoyancy force. Their stems and leaves have parenchyma tissue which consists of thin wall cells to form A spaces. Some of them swell and have hollow big stems to increase the buoyancy force of water, such as the lotus and the water hyacinth. The stability in plants are based on their center of gravity and their base area. The higher the center of gravity, the less stable the plant. Just look at the coconut trees. They may reach as high as 80 feet when fully grown, compared to papaya trees and the roses, which can only grow up to 30 feet and 4 feet tall respectively.